Hello, in this lab we're going to be working on lab 10.5.10, which is to permit traffic. In case this video appears to be too fast for you, remember to pause and work at your own pace. So let's click this and click on enable and add the permit any statements to access list 11 to allow all traffic other than the restricted traffic. Okay, so we come over here, we enable, press enter, then config and enter and access dash list 11 permit any. Okay, so this is basically it here. Presenter, and let's see, save your changes to the startup config file. Okay, so we come over here and copy, run, start. Okay, and that is it, folks. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.